Stone is not a very forgiving material to work with. You could spend hours on a piece and it can just crack or break, and yeah, it teaches you how to stay calm and patient when you're working with it anyway. Yeah, you learn. I'm Kieran Casey. I'm from Killarney. I'm in my third year of Stonecutter Stonemason Apprenticeship, and I work for the National Monument Services in the OPW Killarney. Growing up in Killarney, there's a lot of heritage sites and old stone structures like Ross Castle, Muckross Abbey, so when you grow up with them around you, you kind of appreciate them, and getting the opportunity to work in restoration and conserving that heritage is what kind of drew me in. A lot of people come in with a very romantic idea of what it's like to be a stonecutter or stonemason, but in reality you're outside if the weather is bad also, and it is quite a physical job at times, and there's a lot of manual labour to it, where you're just hauling stuff around and wheelbarrowing stone and stuff. It's not all carving cathedrals, you know what I mean? What I like about stoneworking is if you're in a job like this, you have something to show for the effort and time you put in. And if you're into working with your hands and being outdoors, and it kind of suits people that are looking for the opposite of office life, really. Kerry College is the only facility in Ireland that covers the stonecutting and stonemasonry apprenticeship. So we've really great facilities here and great teachers, so you cover a lot of aspects of it, including like letter cutting, relief carving, a lot of architectural history, and you do stone cladding as well, which is kind of a modern aspect of stonework, which a lot of people are getting into now as well, because it's more of that kind of commercial work. So we're maintaining all the stone heritage sites around Kerry, up into parts of Limerick and into Cork. So it's amazing to get to visit these places and get to go through them in a far more intimate way than the public do. One of the perks for me was getting to work out on Skellig Michael. So you're staying out there for a week at a time, so you're on site, so you get to live on Skellig Rock, which is a really good perk of the job. It's an old skill set that was virtually gone with the advent of concrete. A lot of the old stone skills are kind of being lost, so we're kind of relearning an old skill. So it's pretty cool to be involved in maintaining that kind of craft.